In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the graffiti text effect in Canva. To get started, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one that you want to edit. This can be any type of project, like a social media post, presentation slide, thumbnail, or flyer. The important thing is that you're inside the Canva editor and ready to work with text. Once your design is open, go ahead and select the text you want to change. If you haven't added any text yet, you can insert a text box first and type in your wording. Then click directly on that text so Canva knows exactly which element you want to edit. This step matters because the effect will only apply to the text layer you've selected. After selecting your text, look for the Effects option in the top toolbar. Click on Effects to open the text styling panel. This is where Canva gives you access to different visual treatments that can completely change the look and feel of your text. If you're trying to make your design feel more playful, artistic, or expressive, this is a great place to start. Inside the Effects panel, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little further to see all available options. Take your time here because Canva organizes some of its newer or more stylized text effects lower in the panel. When you find the graffiti option, click on it to apply the effect to your selected text. As soon as you do that, your text will update with the graffiti style, giving it a more bold and creative appearance. This can be especially useful for designs that need a street-style aesthetic, a casual visual tone, or something that stands out more dramatically. If the effect appears a little different than expected, make sure the text is still selected and that you clicked directly on the graffiti effect. Also keep in mind that some fonts may respond differently to certain effects, so the final result can vary depending on the font style you're using. And that's it. Once the graffiti effect is applied, you can continue customizing the rest of your design as needed. This is a quick and simple way to make plain text feel more dynamic inside Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.